Hello, hope everyone is doing safe. Today there is a quick recipe, mozzarella cheese sticks. I'm definitely sure you all must have tried at restaurant, but just try it home also quickly once. See what are the easy ingredients we need. So I'm taking 200 grams of cheese blocks. So 3 to 4 teaspoon all-purpose flour we need. 2 teaspoon corn flour you can mix. And dried oregano, it's up to your taste, or you can add mixed herbs also, that's available at grocery store. A little bit of salt and pepper powder. I don't like too much of like plain taste, so I have added a little bit of pepper powder. Then chili flakes, if you like you can add chili flakes too. Mix this flour. So mozzarella cheese blocks, we have to cut it into sticks form. So just follow. You can make some small stick shapes. Keep all the slices ready. Now next what we need is, we need 1 egg. Just beat it, like just mix it with a fork and in a ball and keep it ready. Need breadcrumb. Take bread and just blend it in a mixer. Don't make it in too much, just whip it once. In the egg mix, I am adding 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of pepper powder, just to give that taste actually. Take one cheese stick. First dip it in egg, then flour, then one more time an egg, then last coating would be breadcrumbs. One thing to make sure, since we are using mozzarella cheese, while frying it oozes out easily, so just make sure that the flour is a little coated all over the cheese sticks. That is one thing you have to make sure. We are not making it a batter here, like flour batter. Why? Because then it will be too much of coating outside, it doesn't taste good. We just need a flour, a very thin coating. This is really a quick evening snack, and you know what, better than going to a restaurant, if you can make it home and have a very nice evening tea. Kids would really love this. So I must say everyone should try this at home, and it's so easy. So first keep all the sticks ready. After once coating is done, you can keep it in fridge for some 15 to 20 minutes, or you can make this and keep it also. Why? Because the flour would be really stick on to the cheese sticks. Then later you can take and fry it. Now in a pan you can pour oil, and make sure the oil is really hot, and put it in medium to high flame. Just put the cheese sticks. Once it start with little golden brown, you just need to fry both sides and take it out immediately. Because if you keep it for long, definitely everything will comes out, or cheese oozes out, and it's okay, but why you have to waste the cheese? Actually everybody would love to eat this, right? So just put it in high flame. Just make it golden brown, take it out easily and enjoy. I'm definitely sure it's not only for kids, actually everyone would love this. Thank you for watching. Please take care of yourself. We will see you in another video soon.